Contractor of buildings at Police Reserve misusing PHE Department water supply canal as per their will at Hamren. Songsa Ronghang, former Major Game Secretary of DGCS-US, takes charge as the new president of KSA DGC branch. One person died and 4 critically injured after a car brutally overturned at Bornirja on 13 December. Welcome to KAL English English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. On 13th of December, Toroni Rongpi, Executive Engineer of Public Health Engineering PHE, spoke about misusing of departmental scheme at the construction site of Police Reserve, Hamren, without the consent and permission from PHE department by the contractors. The citizens of Hamren are exasperated as the PHE department under Hamren subdivision are still unable to provide safe and proper drinking water supply to all the 7 wards of Hamren Municipal Board. Even after 71 years foundation of KAL Autonomous Council, citizens of Hamren Municipal Board are still deprived from basic necessities like proper drinking water. Amidst the crisis of supply water at Hamren Municipal Board, a person identified as Moni Kakati, the contractor of Hamren Police Reserve building, he was practicing piracy of supply waters through a pipes connected into the main water pipe.
Put Kuribu there have allotment Diana, Kunjaga Hobo Hotik time to Diana. India boarding to Korahona, I already Abnaloko municipality, Nikitu, municipality water supply by Pani Luis.
Toroni Rongpi, Executive Engineer of Public Health Engineering PHE, while speaking to us informed that he was unaware about it and no any permission was granted for that purpose. After the information of piracy by Moni Kakati was received, he instantly informed the district administration and law and order of the district and demanded stern investigation into this matter.
Proposal we have already prepared DPR. DPR ta banaya la so DPR ke tamne MOS law NGO tamne la next phase niba etum ki jama last year so DPR jama 23 crores.
Kon ha
23 crores.
23 crores. Lage kon angka pano target ke
target mane khali lage tamne no the sanction avela ke lage Delhi law mo tamne MOS law sanction ko so already DPR prepare.
Water pipes connectivity at Hamren was done in the year 1978, and since then no any new project was carried out to replace the 44 years old pipelines. Consequently, many sections of the pipes suffered rusting and leakage, and some section was washed away with the landslide. Toroni Rongpi also informed that to carry out various projects under Hamren Municipal Board from the Department of Public Health Engineering PHE, details project report DPR with an estimated cost of Rs 23 crores was submitted to Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC. The citizens of Hamren now look forward towards CEM of KAAC for the implementation of DPR submitted by PHE Department of Hamren Subdivision in transforming the face of Hamren Municipal Board. Daniel in his report from Hamren for KAL Live. On 13th of December, KAL Students Association Diphu Government College Branch organized body reshuffling membership drive cum education awareness program at Waisong Boys Hostel for the session 2022 to 2024. With a vision to enhance educational atmosphere at the campus, a new body of KSA DGC branch for the session of 2022 to 2024 was reshuffled at Waisong Boys Hostel on 13th of December. The meeting was chaired by Mohendro Kathar, former president of KSA DGC branch, and the objective of the meeting was chaired by Angkling Dera, former secretary of KSA DGC branch. It was unanimously decided to appoint Songsa Ronghang, ex-Major Game Secretary of DGCS-US, to be the president, and Malong Teron to be the secretary of KSA DGC branch for the session 2022 to 2024. The elected office bearers for the next term are as follows: Abolon Taro, former Assistant General Secretary of DGCS-US, Krima Teronpi as the Vice President, Rohit Inhi, Boys Common Secretary of DGCS-US, and Hempi Teronpi as the Assistant Secretary, Benjamin Teron as the Finance Secretary, Longbiram Inti as the Assistant Finance Secretary, Boche Bepi as the Treasurer, David Inti as Assistant Treasurer, Songja Tiso, Publicity Secretary, Jori Terangpi as Assistant Publicity Secretary, Monpuru Teron as the Games and Sports Secretary, and Joya BP as the Assistant Games and Sports Secretary, Rosmi Kropi as the Debating Secretary, Mongvi Ingleng as the Cultural Secretary, and Sarlong Kro as the Assistant Cultural Secretary, Ganga BP Social Service Secretary, Klarbong Tiso as the Assistant Social Service Secretary. The nominated office bearers sworn in the name of the Constitution of Karbi Students Association in presence of Thang Sing Timong, President of KSA, and Barnabas Killing, Debating Secretary of KSA. Thang Sing Timong, President of KSA CEC, while delivering his speech, expressed his heartfelt gratitude towards the existing body for participating actively in college activities throughout their term and gave a warm welcome to all the newly nominated office bearers of KSA DGC branch and also wishes them to carry on the legacy of their predecessors. Barnabas Killing, Debating Secretary of KSA Central Executive Committee, while interacting with the students, shared the visions, roles, duties and responsibilities of KSA as a student leader, described the meaning of the symbol and motto of the Karbi Students Association. Thang Sing Timong, President of KSA, attended as the chief guest of the event. Barnabas Killing, Debating Secretary of KSA, Krishna Rongpi, ex-GS of DGCSUS, Nelson Timong, President of KSA Tipu Head Branch, Uttom Teron, President of KSA Angjokpani Branch, Dilip Pramsa, President of Langkai Langso Branch, Starwell Ronghang, ex-Major Game Secretary, DGCSUS, and Pinpo Teron, Assistant Cultural Secretary of KSA Tipu Head Branch, attended as a guest of the event. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 13th of December, around 9:30 a.m. late morning, one person died on the spot and 4 people sustained critical injuries after a Swift Desire car model bearing registration number NL07C6091 heading from Dimapur to Tuli skid off from the National Highway 39 near Bornirja RCC bridge and bumped into a tree. According to reports, one individual died on the spot and 4 people sustained critical injuries. The deceased individual was identified as Lima Tusi, employee of Assam Rifle at Mizoram. Injured individuals were instantly taken to Dimapur for medication and further treatment. Borbothar police rushed to the spot and took all the necessary measures to take control of the incident. The mortal remains of the deceased individual was later sent to the hospital for post-mortem report. Actual cause of the accident is not known yet, but it was suspected to have occurred due to malfunctioning of the brakes. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.